Welcome to the power of GemHub. Today, we're excited to show you how to seamlessly connect your GemHub account to RapNet. In just a few steps, you'll showcase your gemstones effortlessly and start selling faster than ever. Let's get started. Start by using the GemLightbox and GemCam to capture your gemstones. With GemCam's autofocus features and automatic burst mode, in just one click, you will get a perfect 360 video and 4 photos. Everything your customers need to see before making a purchase. Once your gemstones are captured, log into your GemHub Pro account and head to the Products section. Select the gemstones you want to list on RapNet and add them all into one collection for easy management. It's important to make sure the SKU numbers in GemHub match the stock number on RapNet. This is crucial for a smooth and accurate connection. Now let's link your GemHub account to RapNet. You can access this by clicking the lower left menu, then Integrations. Click Connect under RapNet. A pop-up will appear for you to enter your RapNet login details and establish the connection. If you're not already logged in, head over to RapNet and sign in. In RapNet, select the type of item you're listing. For this tutorial, we'll be choosing gems. Near the top of the page, you'll find the Upload Gems button. Fill in the required details for each gemstone and double-check that the stock number matches the SKU in GemHub. Once everything looks good, click Upload Gem to finalize the upload. Back in GemHub, select the collection you want to upload and choose the corresponding RapNet category and click Start Push. You'll see a green checkmark once the transfer is successful. To verify everything synced correctly, go to Manage My Gems in RapNet. Click the magnifying glass next to the SKU and check that your media files and listing details are displayed correctly. Your GemHub media files are now seamlessly linked with RapNet, making it easier than ever to supercharge the sales of your gemstones. For more tips and tutorials, connect with us on social media. Thank you for being part of our community of over 20,000 jewelers. Together, let's redefine what's possible.